Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best Jordans available in the market right now. The Jordan Big Kids 4 Retro Off-White by Military Blue. These sneakers have been making waves with their stylish design and performance, so let's see if they live up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design. These Jordans come in a striking off-white by Military Blue colorway, which not only looks great but also gives off that classic Jordan vibe. The combination of leather and rubber materials ensures durability and comfort, making them suitable for both casual wear and on-court action. Moving on to the features, these sneakers boast a lace-up closure for a secure fit, essential for active kids who need stability during play. The rubber sole provides excellent traction, while the water-resistant outer material ensures they can handle a variety of conditions. From the playground to the basketball court. Now, let's discuss sizing. The Jordan Big Kids 4 Retro is available in grade school sizing from 3.5Y to 7Y, catering to a wide range of foot sizes. It's important to note that these Jordans run true to size, so you can confidently select your usual size for the perfect fit. In terms of performance, these sneakers shine both on and off the court. The sturdy construction and ankle support make them ideal for basketball enthusiasts, providing stability during lateral movements and jumps. Off the court, they maintain comfort and style, easily pairing with various outfits thanks to their versatile color scheme. To wrap things up, the Jordan Big Kids 4 Retro Off-White by Military Blue sneakers are a solid choice. If you're looking for quality, style, and performance in a kid's shoe. Whether you're hitting the court or hanging out with friends, these Jordans deliver on both fronts. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you've tried these sneakers yourself or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and product insights. Until next time, take care and stay stylish.